Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to customize an ELD lesson. And to start with, I'm going to go to the ELD book, and I'm actually using grade 3, unit 5. So there's two things I'm going to pull out right away. I'm going to look for the TRS. I'm going to find my lesson, and I'm working on lesson 2. So my lesson 2 is right there. Something else I'm going to look for is a an electronic book. So I'm going to open that up, and it's going to ask me whether I want to customize it or not. And my answer is going to be yes, but I have to name it. So I'm going to say this is going to be um, lesson 2. So I'm going to say yes. Notice in the background is like a graph looking like background. And it says edit mode right here. I also have the option to present, and that's how I'm going to know how it's going to look. And the background is a solid blue. So I'm going to leave it as the edit mode. And then when I'm done with everything, I'm going to save it right here. So I'm going to look for my page 85. So this is what I'm looking for. And something that I know it says right here is the student objectives, and I'm going to make sure that I add those so that students know what what we're going to learn. And I'm going to put it as a text box. So I'm going to say language objective, and I don't like color red, so I'm going to change the color really quick right there. So something else that I'm going to add here is I'm going to add a sticky note. I'm going to add it right over here. Now, the lesson calls for me to write some vocabulary words so that the students can have like an engagement activity. Now, I don't have a whiteboard, so I'm just going to leave that as a sticky note so that they can read, that I can click on it. Something else I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this illustration and text because I'm not going to use it. So I'm just going to do a little bit of an adverb is like a little definition, something like that. So I don't have to see it. And then I have something else, something for me to write in there. Something else I'm going to add. I'm going to add a link because I like to have videos. So I'm going to click, I'm going to copy the URL, I'm going to paste it, and I'm just going to call it adverbs. And so I'm going to create that. As you can see, the link just appeared over here really quick. And then something else I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 different sticky notes. Why 3? Because I'm going to put like the emerging sentence frames. Then I'm going to add another one. So I'm going to add another one right here. And now this is a text box. I don't want that. I'm going to add another sticky note. I add this one to be green. This is going to be for expanding. And then my last one is going to be, I'm going to make it be pink, and it's going to be bridging. So here right away, I have my 3 scaffolding
System up. Lips.
Like sentence frames, and I have them here.
Send.
And so when I look at my present mode, I can see the objectives right here. When I want to show the vocabulary words, I'm going to show them, and then I'm going to click them back in. This shows up like that in case I change my mind and I want to show it. It's going to look like that, but I really don't want to, so I'm just going to make sure it's covered. I'm going to click on my link, and it's going to open up the video. And here, when I'm ready, they're going to have these so they can see it. So as you can see, I can customize this, have it ready, and just have the students have that language support when they are learning with you in there. There was other things I can do. I probably would have added some zooming features. I can also at the same time maybe do like a highlight or something else. So it is up to you and what the lesson is asking for. So I hope this was helpful, and see you next time.